Welcome back, guys. Steve, Al Metal Dryer Vent, almetaldryervent.com. Second, two-story home, second floor dryer. I don't know if you can, oops, sorry. It won't let me zoom in. I don't know if you can see it up there, but I'm gonna get my ladder down. It's another screen and a roof damper. Sorry to hound on this, guys, but if you're having a new roof put on your home, make sure the roofers take the screen out of a damper that is going up through the roof. 4 cycles to dry a load of clothes, 3 dryers. Come on, guys. I'm gonna get my toys down. And here we go. Lock the ladder. And hopefully I can get up to this one. But do you see that? That is insane, guys. I'm not gonna be able to videotape this one. There's no way. It's too dangerous. All right, I'm gonna back up and figure something out, guys. I'll be back. All right, so if you can see, guys, this is a screen that was put on after the fact. Talking to the homeowner, they actually had a bird get in and get all the way down into the dryer itself to the point, well, there's a fan blade in there, so I'll leave that up to your imagination. But I'm thinking it was trying to get up in there, and somehow it got trapped in here. So they put this screen on. Either way, screen's got to go. You cannot screen a dryer vent, especially on a roof like this, guys. I mean, come on. All right. So, I mean, this one's pretty self-explanatory. Like I said, it's an added damper. So I'm gonna take this out and see what we come up with. All right, as you can see, I got the screen out. However, and I apologize, guys, but I'm trying to not fall off of this roof. This is what the screen does. I mean, the backup is astronomical, guys. I mean, again, you cannot screen a roof damper. That thing is sharp too. I mean, it just cakes up in there. So now I'm gonna clean that out, try not to fall off this roof, and I'll be back. All right, so now, and a lot of that is stained. I got a little bit work left to do. But now to clean out the dryer, the vent itself, definitely can't video that, guys. It's too steep up here with the drill and all that. So I'm gonna cut this one here, but you know, I do want to say that this damper has seen better days, but that's okay. All right, let's check out behind the dryer. Oh my word. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Holy cow. Yeah, so we're gonna be removing some of this flex hose as well. Be right back. And this is a product of screening a roof damper. Check this out. See? When you screen a roof damper, you're trapping that gallon to a gallon and a half of moisture that comes out of steam. You're trapping it in the duct system. When steam gets far enough away from the heating source, turns back into water every single time. And you can see it. And then your dryer's trying to push that air through, and it comes through as bubbles. Bloop, bloop, bloop. That's why it's taking forever. Now, to me, that's a little bit more reasonable. Okay, so I'm gonna push the machine back. Well, oh well. Now, we want to make sure that we have a nice, clean, unobstructed path. Much better, guys. Much better. All right, guys. I appreciate you watching. I would love for you to subscribe. It helps. It gives me motivation to keep doing crazy stuff like this. AlMetalDryerVent.com. Check out my Quick Connect Periscope. It takes the place of the flex hose behind your dryer, so your dryer just backs straight into it. It's beautiful. It saves space. You don't crimp the flex, all that kind of good stuff. And I will say, there's one person out there, one person that keeps on giving me a thumbs down on my videos. Now, I'd like for you to comment and maybe tell me why. What can I improve on? I'd love to improve on it for whatever reason. If you're just hating on me, that's fine too, because in the algorithm, a thumbs down shows up still. Steve, AlMetalDryerVent.com. Please check out my Periscope. Thank you, guys.